We're back in the house today. It's a little bit chilly, but we're going to try to get some work done.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side, our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more.
Oh my gosh.
You and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep,
This is so fascinating. Dang.
Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do.
Even worms need love.
We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
Oh gosh. What a shame. This old grocery store across the street from the post office here in Graham burned to the ground. So much history has been lost. I was hoping that they would be able to one day put this old building back together, but here it sits. Such a shame. All right, first thing is to get all the nails either pulled or pounded in so we can put sheetrock on top of this wood that we don't want exposed.
Keep talking good, keep talking sweet, keep sugar rock, baby. I got you good, I got you sweet, got you on hold. My baby knows what I'm all about, what I'm all about. My baby knows what I'm all about, what I'm all about. Keep moving fast, keep moving slow, keep rhythm, my baby.
Shake it, baby.
You got me good, you got me sweet, got me on hold. Baby knows what I want, baby knows just how I'm feeling now. You got me locking, walking, stalking, rocking, freaking and freewheeling for a while. My baby knows what I'm all about, what I'm all about.
you got to know how to run your tools. So when we put this window in, we knew that that little lip was going to be a problem. We had to do like a casing because there were so many layers on the wall that the window had no place to sit. It was a little bit wider than it needed to be. So we've had to go around and cut this off. We're going to go ahead and we can put sheetrock up now, and it'll be a lot more level. We've known forever we're going to have to cut it off, and today was the day. What? I got it right here, hon. Yeah. Go that way a little bit. We can't put this sheetrock up because a wall has to go here. And the floor here is going to be coming out so we can run water. If we put the sheetrock there, then we'd have to like make sure we didn't put it very high up so we can get the floor out. Michael found a piece of wood that fits in here perfect, but it's got this on it. So we're gonna see if we can get it off. If not, we're probably gonna pull this piece off and put another one on. Is that a different wood?
Yeah, it's shattered. I wonder if we ought to, because are we going to replace this?
No, I think we should just leave
Leave
it.
it alone? Okay.
Yeah.
Then we'll want to put it on the wall then.
I mean, we need the timer doesn't work anymore. We need to get a new timer, but.
Yeah, and that's what I'm saying. That's what I was asking.
Oh, yeah.
So we'll put
gonna-
a new box in.
Yeah.
And we'll take this and,
Yeah.
okay. All right, we'll attach it to that. Down a little bit. Right there. Are you going to be able to get to it? If we put it on that seam, you know, this board seam right here,
Uh-huh.
yeah, I can just cut it out. I'll take and cut it out here, just a little, hold that. Good.
We don't want it too high.
Right. And then the sheetrock, well, no, there's not going to be any sheetrock here, is there?
Not, So you need to make it even with the board.
Even with the board. So, That's even with the board right there. Okay.
Okay, so you're gonna do the blitzy?
Yeah, I'll do the blitzy. I probably want to drill a little hole.
Yeah.
Get started so I don't damage. Yeah, that's one hole right there. I don't want to damage it. Let me see if I can go over there and get her.
Well, I can start on this little hole right here, but.
There you go. There you go. Okay.
Okay. Is it gonna go in there? Ooh!
Okay.
That looks beautiful.
Yeah.
What about this one?
Okay. Okay. Okay, that fits in much better.
Nice. Yes. Okay.
Are we gonna do a nail or are we gonna do?
We're gonna Brad nail it.
Okay, we're gonna have a hole.
Brad nail it.
You want that seam a little like that?
I want it just like it so it looks beautiful.
Okay, how does that? Is that good?
Yeah. Don't push down on that. Pull it back out like you had
It's
it.
kinda, I've got to push it. We can knock it out back out.
Okay. Yeah. Fine. Yeah. So holding it.
Well, we got some things done.
Yeah. Hey, thanks for joining us.
Yep.
We're cobbling along. You guys just hang with us.
We didn't do any squabbling today. Just cobbled.
They're gonna know you're lying.
We didn't. Some days we do better because we're feeling pretty good. Other days we don't do as well. We're both kind of suffering an injury.
I do have a little injury. My foot's killing me. His hip's killing me.
My hip is killing me. So,
like our medical, this is our medical update.
yes.
You know how old people are. They start talking about all their boo-boos.
About their operations and their doctor visits and the pills they're taking. It's kind of where we are.
Yes. Yes. Mary Beth, thank you for the visit.
Yeah.
It was good to see you again.
Mm-hmm.
And I just want to thank you guys for watching. It's we're having fun. I hope you guys are having fun watching us. And I know we'll see you next time.
Like, subscribe.
All right. We'll see you next time here on 1919 Graham Central. See
See
you.
ya,
Bye.
bye.